Welcome. If you want to manage watermark on your photos in Motorola Razr 2019, for the first you have to enter camera, then move to the right upper corner, scroll down, enter the watermark right here, and as you can see we can turn it on or turn it off, and also we can edit it. We can input our name, so when we take a photo right here we'll type HardReset, click OK, go back, and right now when we take a picture right here you'll see that it was taken on the Motorola Razr by HardReset. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.